Wife is having a hard time starting her car in the morning. It's kind of rough idle right now as I sit here. It's kind of down. I'm looking at the sensor data for fuel banks. Thought she might need new wires. Kind of looking at these fuel bank trims, and if you'll notice, long-term fuel trim bank 1 and bank 2 are kind of up there, which tells me that there could be a possible vacuum leak. You want these numbers right in here, these fuel trim banks, close to 0 as possible. Look at this one. This means they're adding fuel. These numbers, all these numbers should be as close to 0 as possible. Negatives, well, the negative numbers means it's taking fuel away. And the positive numbers means it's adding fuel. And I just watched an Eric the Car Guy video, and an Eric the Car Guy, his bank 2 was up in the, I believe, the 5s or 7s, which is exactly what this one's doing. And he had a vacuum leak. So now, what do? Track down the leak.